Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. In this video, we are going to discuss 30 static GK questions which is related to first in the world, male and female. Watch till the end, you will get PDF of 250 questions till 8th video. This PDF will definitely help your examination. Let's start the today's session, question number 1 to 30. And the question number 1. First man to reach North Pole. Anusheth Ansari, Dennis Tito, Ronald Amundsen, Robert Edwin Peary. And the answer for the question, Robert Edwin Peary. And he was the American explorer, reached April 1909. And the second question, first religion of the world, Buddhism, Hinduism, Sanatan Dharma or Jainism? Hinduism. And the third question, first man to reach South Pole, Anusheth Ansari, Dennis Tito, Ronald Amundsen, Peary. Ronald Amundsen. And he was the Norwegian explorer and he is also reached December 14, 1911. And the fourth question, first country to print books, Japan, Singapore, UAE or China? China. Fifth question, first president of United States of America, Harold Macmillan, Harsha Chowda, George Washington or Robert Walpole? And the answer for the question, George Washington. And the sixth question, first secretary of United Nations, George Washington, Belgrade, Tregavly, Robert Walpole? Tregavly. And the seventh question, first country to issue paper currency, China, Indonesia, Philippines or Tokyo? And the answer for the question is China. And the eighth question, first Prime Minister of Great Britain, George Washington, Belgrade, Tregavly, Robert Walpole? Robert Walpole. The next question, first country to make education compulsory, China, Indonesia, Philippines or Persia? And the answer for the question, Persia. Now it is called Germany. And the 10th question, first country to win world football match, China, Indonesia, Germany or Uruguay? Uruguay. And the capital of Uruguay is Montevideo. The 11th question, Pakistan first Governor General, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Belgrade, Tregavly, Robert Walpole? The answer for the question, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 12th question, first country to make constitution, Brazil, Uzbekistan, United States of America or China? USA. 13th question, first European to visit China, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mafia Polo, Tregavly or Robert Walpole? Mafia Polo. 14. First country to send human to moon, Brazil, Uzbekistan, USA or India? USA. The 15th question, first space tourist male, Anusheth Ansari, Dennis Tito, Ronald Amundsen or Peary? Dennis Tito. 16th question, first country to launch satellite into space, Brazil, USSR, USA or India? USSR Russia. And the 17th question. First space tourist female. Anushat Ansari, Dennis Tito, Ronald Amundsen or Perry. And the answer for the question Anushat Ansari. And the 18th question. First country to host modern Olympic Games. Manila, Philippines, Jakarta, Indonesia, Athens, Greece, Tokyo, Japan. Athens, Greece. 19th question. First President of Republic of China. Sun Yat-sen, Mafia Polo, Tocqueville, Robert Walpole. The answer for the question Sun Yat-sen. 20th question. First radio telescope satellite was launched into space. Manila, Philippines, Jakarta, Indonesia, Athens, Greece, Tokyo, Japan. The answer for the question Tokyo, Japan. 21 question. First Russian Soviet Union Prime Minister to visit India. Sun Yat-sen, Mafia Polo, Tocqueville, Bulganin. The answer for the question V.I. Bulganin. And the 22 question. First University of the world. Nalanda University, Ambedkar University, Taxila University or Bharatiyar University. And the answer for the question is Nalanda University. India. First university in the world is Taxila University. And the 23rd question. First spaceship landed on Mars. Aryabhatta, Viking 1, Viking 2 or Agni. And the answer for the question Viking 1. The 24th question. First woman Prime Minister of England. Margaret Thatcher, Belgrade, Tocqueville, Robert Walpole. And the answer is Margaret Thatcher. 25th question. First woman Prime Minister of any Muslim country. Margaret Thatcher, Benazir Bhutto, Bandar Nayaki, Junko Tabi. And the answer is Benazir Bhutto. 26th question. First European invader of Indian soil. Colombo, Alexander, Arthur Ashe, Tarnath. And the answer is Alexander the Great. And the 27th question. First woman Prime Minister of the country. Margaret Thatcher, Benazir Bhutto, Bandar Nayaki or Junko Tabi. And the answer is Bandar Nayaki. 28th question. First woman President of a country. Cortes T. Perrin, Benazir Bhutto, Bandar Nayaki or Junko Tabi. Cortes D. Perrin. 29th question. First man to draw the map of the earth. Anaximander, Alexander, Arthur Ashe or Tarnath. Anaximander. 30th question. First man to compile encyclopedia. Anne Bancroft, Astosis, Darba Banerjee, Darla Tankaral. And the answer for the question Aspiosis. He is from Athens. And the next is additional information regarding first in the world to receive Nobel Prize. If you are recently preparing for the examination, please kindly read new updated list of Nobel Prize winners. Let's see the first in the world Nobel Prize winners. Nobel Prize to receive in literature Suli Pramod, and the person who receives for peace is H. Dunant and Frederick Passy, and for physics W.C. Ronston, and for chemistry J.H. van Hoff, and medicine Adolf von Behring, and for economics Ragnar Frisch and Jan Timbergen. Here will be a question of the day session. This question was asked in the previous video. first woman musician to get Bharat Ratna award? And the answer for the question is MS Subbulakshmi. And this question is will be a today session, first woman president of United Nations General Assembly. Let me know your answers in comment section and the answer will be discussed in part 9 video. Yeah, one more information regarding PDF. The link is given in the description. Click the description and download the PDF file. It will really helpful for your examination. Yeah, if you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and families, and you can also follow our Instagram page Study Until You Get. Let's see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.